Good morning! Mykonos chilling. I'm listening to Greek songs, old Greek songs that I remember. And today we are going to the swimming pool here, the little jacuzzi we have. And later we're gonna go to Ornos beach. It's one of the best beaches here. So we are in Kusina. We're gonna make lunch.
That's it. No,
It's 4 o'clock lunch. Waiting for the bus.
Bye, Mykonos.
Bye.